so pretty. Me are going there now. I wonder if we can go in there now. Oh. Alright. Right. You know, so me go in there. Me go look. Me want to see that.
Don't please tell me why they don't want me to win. I see the
to do a lot of things here. Wow. Yeah, if you're afraid of camera time for the run from now, you know, Jamaica walk by in the town. Big up on herself, you hear that? Yeah. As she see, she was like your face just light up. Ah! Yeah. Yeah, true. Massive, this is beautiful. Blessed respect, massive, you don't know. Big up every time and welcome to another episode from Jamaica Walk By. Look good now, man. Mr. Jamaica nice. I'm back in the place. Yeah, which part me there in my yard. So right now, I'm there kick you out of the general. See you all over the phone. So I see you jump up.
Yeah, we're there live and direct. You don't know, magnet fish in Jamaica.
That is it. AKA, so massive.
AKA dangles, one dangles.
Figure that, so massive. And the same beauty be up at you with carnival. You understand? And you hear me talk about Noel, magnet fishing. So all I massive them wanna subscribe to Noel, magnetic fishing Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
That is it. Make sure you go over there and subscribe. We're not gonna see me put him here, right? That's so somewhere you're up on the screen. So you go so boom bang and run over this and subscribe. And the man a search out the whole of the river and see them out there, find the whole of the goodies and the treasure. Don't play with him, him alone there in Jamaica do that something there.
One place you can see it, nowhere else.
Figure that. So watch me now, massive. With the Emancipation Park, see? And we are going to show you what Emancipation Park look like in a Christmas 2023. Massive, the place pretty, your friend. Yo, we run out in the road, you know, we don't have that. So massive, we there. I mean, I say, look for the place. Look for the place, good now, man. So, we are going to walk over there and we are going to show you exactly what Emancipation Park look like in a 2023. Massive, it's beautiful. So we have a lot of persons out here selling candy, they must sell ties. We see the trees, they're well lit. It's beautiful, trust me, it's amazing. And I just want to show you exactly what it looks like. We are going to walk through and we are going to make you see what Emancipation Park look like in a 2023. But they are with magnetic fishing Jamaica. And a joke thing, so I could do this. Look what I go on. Yeah, massive. So Emancipation Park, all I sell of them there. So Noel is here and Noel is here with Abby. Abby, big up yourself now, man. Yeah. Yes, you want to get Instagram a shout out, Abby?
It's luxury doll.
Say it again.
Luxury?
Luxury doll. No underscore, no that.
Well,
No.
luxury dot underscore dot doll.
Alright, that is it. So when you can go turn up and grab, she come out. And she am good. A Jamaican girl. Don't play with the thing. How you mean? Yeah. So we're there, massive. Yes, big boss, ready for Christmas. Yeah, big up every time, Jamaica Walk By. You understand? We say out here also. You look like you there from Star Wars. Right. Which planet them come from? Mars? Jupiter. Mad thing, massive. So we're going to show them Emancipation Park. Loads of goodies there out here. Enough ties, enough bunch of things. So all the massive out here, you don't have to go to the store. Alright, me see this nice beautiful lady over here. Come here, my friend. Are you look at business this? We're going to turn up some people to come here so come buy from you, you know. So you're the right time, man. Blessed love, blessed respect, you understand? Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, man, I'm going to talk to them tomorrow. Talk to you, and you, my spirit sent me to. And when Jesus said, come lead me, lead out. So she have all of the nice juice and things. I just want easy back at Emancipation Park. So if you come here, you have juice to buy. You can get your juice, your water, all of the things them for kids. She have the popcorn over here, so the snacks like at the supermarket. Now play with her, man. See her St. Mary's banana chips, blows and things. Now play with it. She have a suit them from Jupiter and Mars. And a joke thing, bring the kids them come. And like me tell me general, you see a stand up here, buy, see all the kids, you see your eye them look, so look at it, trouble. Yes, so see them your massive Emancipation Park 2023. No joke thing, we are going through. A crazy thing, man. Crazy ties, crazy everything. Yeah, no joke. Big up yourself, man. Wait, you sell, man. Yeah. You understand? Wait, how you say I go on the juggling? Yeah. I want Jamaica Walk By, you hear that? Big up yourself. I like this. It's pretty, I probably get it for my daughter. Yeah, we are going to show them Emancipation Park, you know? Figure that. Security, big up yourself. Yeah. Whoa, massive. Look on the place now, man. Now, what do you say? How much would I rate the place out of 10?
Out of 10?
Yeah.
Out of 10 for the Kingston. And I give them a 9 out of 10 because they come through all the time, you know?
9 out of 10.
Most business place I told give it a try. As a matter of fact, no. One is there, so I give it 8 out of 10. 8? Yeah, because then I say one is 8.
Jaja no. So massive, this is beautiful. So it is Emancipation Park in New Kingston. You know, them do a lot of decoration for the trees, them. I wonder why they don't do like the leaves and thing, just the tree root. I think it would have looked even more beautiful if them do the trees, don't it? If I have few of the trees. But so one big Santa Claus shoes over there, so yeah, and thing that is nice. That's a new addition. I don't know it. You understand? Yeah. So it's my first time actually spending or videoing Christmas in Kingston. You understand? At night to see all of this. No, well, no, it's my first time in a Kingston for on Christmas.
Yeah.
Like legit, just a walk through it and I see what go on.
Can't believe it first time.
Yeah, man.
But then, about a long time Emancipation Park I go on with this now.
That me I say this
And
is
then
beautiful.
Downtown at the park, yes sir.
Yeah, nice.
Down it used to be a competition with Emancipation Park. Actually the pandemic make
Them
it
stop.
Long, but them still do a big setup still. You know if
Nice.
it ready yet.
But me know say me a debut for me always there for New Year's downtown waterfront.
Yeah.
You understand? So massive we see a nice 2023 decoration over here so make so you can look. Still have kids playing and thing. Yeah. Massive, this is beautiful. This look like them take a long time to get this organized and thing.
Them actually add new things for them things like this.
Like this.
Christmas in the park.
So I go Christmas in the Park 2023. Yeah. Me hope some charity thing, you know, people come together from all over and do the decoration.
Yeah.
This is lovely. So me here when me call you a while ago, you saying there table tennis era, so me never know that part, man.
Yeah man, this house there someone at 7 in the ground, you know?
Abby don't stay too far, you know, Abby. Yeah, watch your step. I make you see what going over here, so. Nice, Emancipation Park. Park, well kept though. Yeah. Man. I want much of the seat in a hard piece of game, you know. But it look like he champ over here so on my right. He look like he on the loser board. Come on, man, do something, man. Win one before I go in, man. One. See, lose again. At you. At. See there, you automatically win one. Go through. Hey, but wait, look at board big. Yeah, that is it. That is it. Look, you get that one there now. Figure that. What you mean? Wait. Look at what she are going with. Beat him up, you know. You see the curve a while ago? Yeah. See that? Man. No, man, she a school, yeah, man. Respect. Big up every time, man. So yes, this is a nice little vibe. You know, even in the night, you can have your kids them come out. They're safe. They have security guards here. Don't it know well? About how much security guard work on in our park?
Each gate plus our security plus some of them roam up and down.
Up and down in our park to make sure everybody good.
Yeah.
But one thing I've never heard of nothing over the park. Yeah. Nothing at all.
Yeah, me neither.
You ever have me never hear nobody get robbed, me never have no fight over here, no nothing. Always just nice and cool, people enjoy themselves and thing, and I love that. And it's Christmas, this is what we want to bring in the new year with. So even some kids over here so I play draft or so I think a draft board may I see. You understand? I play chess on it too. Oh, that a draft. Oh you mean? So it's a vibe. So massive this year is Noel, I'm right name, that's what we call him. You understand? I feel we look at name that, but as you can see is Magnetic Fishing Jamaica. So me and him are going to walk out in the night here, we're going to get some videos and thing and go over to him channel and check out a whole heap of views, man. A millions of views, man, and get man for Magnetic Fishing. Now play with him. So it's Magnetic Fishing Jamaica. Me ask you if you subscribe. How much subscriber you aim to get right now?
20,000 subscribers.
Yeah, you aim for 20,000. How much are they now?
Yeah,
Alright, so you're here, you want to reach the 20,000 aim, so we are getting there massive. Let's do this. So, as we are walking through this peaceful, nice park, in the night, yeah, massive. Kingston turn on. I remember which hotel is Courtyard, yes. So, on my right now is a Courtyard Hotel. See a bunch of little setup over there, go on, look good. Beautiful, see so them do a little settings and things. Why it look like them can just take walk in, like them take walk in over there and dine and thing.
Yeah man, a Bizu, that's you know Bizu.
Bizu, what's that?
Italian restaurant.
What Italian restaurant?
Look for the name. You say it right? It's gonna be right?
Oh shoot. Alright, massive. So when we finish with the park, we're gonna take a walk, go over. Any name Bizu. Bizu. I'll see what over there look like. You understand? Nice and beautiful. Yeah, I realize our rubber texture them use massive on the ground, so it's not really concrete or none of that. A rubber. But I'll be there. I've been there too far. What them say here so? Alright. It's a massive Emancipation Park. So we just give you a nice little stroll of the park, what it looks like in the Christmas, what it looks like at night, and the decorations. Like, I think this is amazing. And it's massive. Yeah.
Oh, they're on the jog with the walkway.
Yeah, man, we're on the walkway. You know, them know if it does rally round. Yeah, massive. Bizu, Italian restaurant. I'm going to walk over there before we end the video right here. Nice, nice, nice. So this is my first time seeing this. I now go around here, I feel like one local youth in the park right now. And a joke thing. Yeah, man. Nice. I know, sir, it's a workout part too. Oh, yeah, the workout, man, like a gym.
Yeah. Man. So no one know about this.
Yeah, man, they have this over here. You can work out and thing, do some muscle, some push up, press up. All sort of thing, build your arm strength. Mad. Emancipation Park. So anybody who put together and get this thing done, me just gotta say big up and respect to the entity or the organization or the organizer who deal with this. But like this for the kids and for the people, them can come out and just enjoy it and look at the beauty and feel Christmas, because I don't want to kill the whole Christmas vibe, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. Me as a youth, me look forward for this every year up to this day. Bless up, man. Respect. Still asking you to subscribe to my channel if you don't know. It's Jamaica Walk By, alright? Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, like I'm walking by right now. Alright, big up. Yes, YouTube and Instagram, TikTok. Alright, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go check this out. This is nice. I must say them take some time out to do a lot of things here. Wow. Yeah, if you're not afraid of camera time for the run from now, you know, Jamaica Walk By in the town. Big up on herself, you hear that? Yeah, as she see, she was like your face just light up. Ah! Yeah. Yeah, true. Massive, this is beautiful. Alright, here, I'm going to take a picture, man. My video, take a picture, man. And I can go now shout out to one of any shout out on Instagram, TikTok. You know, depending on something. You were going to take the picture a while ago. Go on to take the picture, man. Just act like me not there. Just act like me not there, man. I like on happy and think one from big up on yourself. See it? See it real. Big up, more love and respect. See? Figured that. I shy note kicky, you know. Yeah. So how much you'd rate the park out of 10? 10? Alright, cool. Not bad. Yeah. Nice. Beautiful park. So massive Jamaica still a keep. We still have beautiful things going on. You know, a lot of persons still out and enjoying themselves. Look at this. It's lovely. I mean, we're not lost, Abby. Look at this. Beautiful. Yeah. Look at this. So there's a lot of little props and things when we realize over here where persons can take picture. Look at that one, well lit. Nice. So massive you can forward and just track, exercise, everything. I wonder what time they're gonna close the park for the Christmas, because usually on a regular day to a lock already, don't it?
Well, you know, I never know what time them lock from hours to people over here. But now that this is going, I feel like it's open till
They're about 12.
11. As I can see, somebody there is all asleep.
Yeah man, see, I'm on the right side
They
sleep.
are outside and play and enjoy themselves.
Yeah
So,
man.
You know, this used to be down. You see that way there, sir?
Yeah.
All this used to be downtown.
Downtown.
You know the park where I thought, you know?
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Jaja. Massive, I can take a closer look on this here, them set it up, you know? Them program the camera, the lights up in the trees.
Nice, nice.
Yeah. So we go right around. Yeah, this is a nice little vibe. Can forward and take some beautiful pictures and things. Big up me G. Blessed. Yeah, this is beautiful. Nice.
Right.
Yeah, bright. Program right up in the roof.
I just think somebody willing to go up in that tree now.
But take two mad picture. Yeah. Yes, massive. So we're going back on the road. Yes, my teacher, phone time, you know, Christmas is it. Man. Every parent I know have to find the time, you know.
Yeah.
What you mean? Abby,
Find him back.
luxury doll.
So in the last
You want to see one picture or post today, you see it?
What you say?
With the kayak.
No, I'm not going to see no show me up on the road the whole day.
But
I see up on some pinnacle and some things, brother.
Yeah, man.
I mean, so massive, this is definitely one of my favorite part over the park. Security, bless up, bless up. Yeah. So this is like, I think this part of the park I like my favorite always, because I normally just can walk here so I'm looking at water for fish and I never see one yet. None in there.
I always want to go in and water. Me young. I was one time I'm seeing people go down in the pool or swim.
What? They put this. Yeah, massive. Look at that. What a beauty. It's lovely.
Yes.
I mean,
Beer. Dafian.
yeah. See it now, man. Big up every time. So I don't know about that. So them not give them no light.
Yeah, that me I said.
But them not give them no decoration. Me I say them not decorate
Two
it.
light that shine up on them.
Yeah, our two light a shine on it. Only say massive, I don't agree. If them have like two nice light close to it, I go and show no what go on. Yeah. These are the art of the attraction for Emancipation Park.
Everybody come take picture of this.
This is supposed to be one of the most photogenic things in the world. Look good now, man. And them things I make with human and black people look good. Figure that. How you mean? Ancestor. Why me doesn't know the water did up there all along?
Yeah, usually turn it on, so usually it's
Like what?
protein. But
Yeah.
which one night? Even over there, so with the sign there. But I guess which one night them turn it
Then turn it off. See, I'll be all teach. Oh, you see our water run and thing.
I don't know about this. Look, I say it's broken.
Yeah. See, look at water running now. Oh, yes, massive. This is beautiful. This is lovely. So we're gonna give you a series of videos of the Christmas, and this is how we are starting off in our Christmas. I show you how Jamaica go on, how Jamaica keep. Emancipation Park in Kingston. As I say, big up to the organization and the people them who put this thing together to make it possible and get this park looking so beautiful at night and also in the day. Yes. Yeah. mean, Abby, you know what I said? Talk to me, man. Tell me that, man. We just say a while ago. You had talk something that make whole heap of sense.
It's like, this is one of the more well-kept public spaces we have in Jamaica. Like, I've never ever come over here and see rubbish or anything of that nature over here. Never.
Neither me. So me second that. Them keep it really good. And if you do see any, I just maybe like 1/2 breeze blow it. And it come over here and buy a queen, them I go start clean it up. You understand? This place always groomed, the trees them always groomed, the lawn always groomed. I think this park is just always ready for every occasion. Yeah, man. And also, if you want to do like take wedding photos and stuff like that, you can do it at the park, but you have to come to the office, and I think there's a little fee that you have to pay. Nothing too expensive or anything. Little bit of money, man. You just forward, I just pay a little, you know, upkeep. Yeah, a little contribution towards the upkeep of the park. And you can do that. Yeah, Santa Boot. I understand. And if you have video shoot and all anything, you can do it at the park. As I said, just go to the office, explain to them, tell them what's it, and then we grant you permission with a little fee. And that's that simple thing. Even me shoot a video over here back in the days. You know? Yeah, man, somewhere up on the land to man, nice little wine glass and towel and bunch of little something, and it was so nice. Yeah, man. So massive, make we go check out the Santa booth. Yeah, now Santa season figure his shows. Yeah. So as I see, it's just in the evening, massive. Kids are out. Yeah, taking pictures. See the big Santa shoes here. Santa forget him shoes. You gonna give it to him? Yeah, Santa forgot him shoes. He can't keep my Christmas with one shoes. Look, nice. Yeah, Santa boot. Nice. Oh, you mean? Jamaica, go and see him here. That is it. Yeah, man. When you look. Let me see my tree. Yes. But with all I see, when I look on it far like this, it just looks so beautiful when all of them together. Dog. Yeah. You need a YouTube channel, like say you talk and all them something. Yeah, each man. Yeah. COVID down. Beautiful. Yeah, man. I don't want to tell them where we are going yet. I want them to keep watching as we go on. As we walk through and I show them Christmas in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Where's that? Give me a quick subscribe right now. I did. You did? Touch me now, man. Big up, man. Thank you so much. You say like what I want to find. Say a good thing. I don't look here, but... Yeah, man. You're going to love it, man. Yeah, man. And I do free promotions and things like that. You know? So if you have anything you want to share or stuff, you can just send it to me. I'll post it. My WhatsApp link is in the description. So you can send me anything to say, this party is keeping. Can you share it for me? I'll share it. If you have a business and a charity, I do all of those things for free, alright? Okay. Respect, man, and love. Yeah. Yes, massive. So, look at it. There you go. Wow. So, I promised you that I was going to check out the Italian restaurant over there. We walk around there and it's beautiful. Emancipation Park, massive. Lovely. Wow. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Also, you're not allowed to come over the park and sell. I will say you keep the order. Big up, man. That is it. Oh, you mean? Emancipation Park. Massive, we're going to take a little walk by the Italian restaurant. Don't know fruits, man. Out there, see them, we are going to chop it. Cane, ripe banana, water, beer sitting. You understand? Sub-Zero still at 100?
Yeah, because he's over there by himself.
Sub-Zero. Yeah. Oh, you mean, massive? So, we're going to take a look over. What is that name again? Buzu or Bezu or what are them? So, as Noella tell me, a great magnetic fish in Jamaica tell me, say, yo, it's an Italian restaurant and, you know, them have bunch of things over there and it's beautiful. From when I look at over the fence, it was beautiful and I like it. You understand? So we are going down there, go take a look and see what go on. Probably don't talk and music I play and think, you know, the copyright thing go as we move along. Want to look over Emancipation Park. Beautiful. So yeah, the Courtyard Hotel. Center camera. I know me walking that road, cause you know for this Christmas me actually in a street like a white line. Look good. I hope me remember if I cut out the music here we are gonna play. Look good. Alright, take a prips. I'm gonna chat with that one there. Good. Yeah, this is beautiful. I realize that's over here so pretty. Me I go in there now. I wonder if we can go in there now.
I'm not going there because we are top side, you know?
Oh.
That's something I did.
Alright. Alright. You know, so me I go in there. Me I go look. Me want to see that. So. Alright, sir. Let them run. Nice. Beautiful place. This is the restaurant. It's beautiful. No joke. First glance on the place. Yes, good, nice. When you in the place, we just a portion and see the nice, beautiful restaurant and things. So we just have to get a little tea if I look and see what I want. It looks really nice. I didn't know that this place was so beautiful. Like, oh my God. First, over the park, I did I do an episode by Emancipation Park. Because I'm a YouTuber, Jamaica walk by. I don't have my logo shirt today. You understand? But I just see the beauty from across over there. And I decided that I just want to walk over and say, I don't even know if I can come inside. But I saw mistake. You just come inside. One, this is a public place and I know I can just, you know, take a little look. I will take a little look. But first thing I beg you, can you pronounce the name of the place for me? Buzu? Oh, Buzo. I don't talk so good in it. I watch Jamaica walk by, I realize I don't talk good none at all. Sorry about that. But thank you for being so polite and so nice. They always recommend business owners to have nice, beautiful staff in them place when people are roll up with camera and then think them business don't look bad. You understand? Yeah, blessed love. I don't leave me hanging one local seal up. Blessed love. Touch it, no man.
There is a menu in case you decide to dine just one day.
Massive, she roll out a menu in case you need to dine. So massive big up to all my 100,000 subscribers them right now. I'm going to show you right now what I want. So look good. So massive, she just put a menu in my hand. It's an Italian restaurant. I personally don't know none of these things on here, but I'm going to just give a still shot to all of my bright persons.
English on it.
Oh, see that?
So I tell you what's actually in the menu, in the dish.
Okay, see that? That is it. Price no look bad, none at all. You understand? That no bad. Nice. So massive, let me give a rundown of the menu so you can have an idea. So when you forward all of my foreigner them we are forwarding for Jamaica, me are endorse and place, blast the place. So you can see small rundown of the menu. I'm going to keep this and I'm going to take a picture of it and I'm going to post it on the community so you guys can pre-order and thing and know what I go buy before no forward. That is it. So clearly it's a full house tonight with a beauty like this and a tree when me that just put in the van and car home. That is it. In a so half a full. So big up to that place. Lord God, that place is pretty.
What place name? Tell me, man.
Yes, sir. Buzo.
Buzo.
Yeah. So massive Buzo. We're in Buzo, all right, over across from Emancipation Park. It's lovely, place clean and pretty. I like the little decor, the little design, and all these things. Beautiful. Look on the roof decor, that is so nice too. And me examine, yeah, and $1 million portrait behind them. Look good, millions worth of things. Beautiful. Oh, you mean? All right, so. I would love to. We can walk.
There are 2 bars.
So there's 2 bars.
2 bars?
Yeah.
One, around here is a pizza bar, and around that side, martini bar.
Oh, we are saying. So,
Yes.
you mind if we can take a discreet little tour and just see what I want? When I want the customers, them, I hope they not to recognize me too, you know, because I try go through. All right. So look good.
You can actually sit and watch the pizza being made from scratch.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. So the big bad chef that.
Big bad chef.
We can see it, man. Look on him though.
Big bad.
A baby up the pizza. Yeah, nice.
And on this side we have, this is our wine wrap.
Wow, this is amazing. Woo, child. Bless them, people. Respect. Good night.
This is our main bar, martini bar. All of the hard liquor there.
So, I think the place was pretty far on and runners of the range over there.
Look at them, martini bar.
And crazy Dolly.
Crazy
Runners of
Dolly.
Dolly, they come drink and eat, man. Lord of mercy. Look good. The decor is everything. Yes, sir. Alright, which one of them are the liquor mixer?
All of them bad.
All of them bad.
All of them.
So
None of them none less, none of them more bad. Right across the board.
I'm gonna ask one, I draw one of them. You my teacher, you me a draw now. Big up and respect first thing. What the top seller now for the mixed liquor?
Well, it varies, you know. So one of our popular cocktails that
Yeah.
both parties, when I said both party, male
Man and
female,
woman them.
can enjoy. You can try the Fruta Supreme. And the Fruta Supreme was originated in Trinidad. Yes, from the same booze of Trinidad.
Man.
So that's actually a signature cocktail.
Signature cocktail. Figure that. Alright.
And based on the ingredients and the flavor profile, you can only have it. You can only have that experience when you visit either Buzo Trinidad, Buzo Barbados, or Buzo Jamaica.
Whoa, that is some good information, man. Big up every time. Yeah, even make me know which part the other branches are.
Yes.
Figure that. Well said, my teacher. So, if we demand them, we demand them mostly come in the country.
Alright, well, for the males, they mostly drink either our signature Jamaican rum punch.
Yeah.
They also go for Amarillo sour, a classic way of making an Amarillo sour, and whiskey sour.
Boy, look like you have the chopping, man. How long you work here?
Well, I've been here from the inception, so from the open up until and we're going in
Well
1 year.
versatile. That is it, my boss. You know, so me can't video man like you see when so my video the lazies and me always ask to give them if they want the Instagram they want to shout out. Cause some people just want to give a big up or so. You have an Instagram, you can shout out the Instagram?
Yeah, man, sure.
Why your Instagram?
So you can follow me on Sean the Legend, that is D-I Legend on Instagram. So it's SEANDILEJAN. So, yes, so it is SEANDILEGAND.
That is it.
Sean.com.
Alright, big up yourself, my teacher. Bad respect. Crazy dolly inside, that's good. Yeah, beautiful. Alright, that was way more than I expected, and I just want to say thank you for giving me that small little transition around there. And I hope my boss raise your pay. Because of them big promotion here, it can't pay on you know. You understand? Blessed love and respect, and the channel is Jamaica Walk By. If you wanna write it down, you can. Jamaica Walk By, alright? Big up every time, alright? Mad love, mad respect. Definitely. No, you will. If you go on Jamaica Walk By, you see me a family man. And me go everywhere with my family. And when you hear me say me I come back, I'm definitely coming back. Blessed love, respect and thanks here. Boozo. Massive, it's mad, it's beautiful, it's, oh my God, it was amazing. Look at that. Yeah. Upstairs is a part of it, that one them should ask her. Oh, the hotel. Oh, okay, alright, respect my teacher. Oh, so, as me come out of the noise now, the general said to me, say, it's the hotel control, the top part. You understand? And Buzo, it's Buzo.
Yeah.
Like Buzo. Yeah. So, big up to them restaurant. You know, she actually give me a nice little tour so I can see how the place look, how it's set up to all the massive. So, all the massive, them will never know about the place here. Me endorse and blast it. So, Buzo, big up, respect. So if you need a Kingston here and you want a nice dine Italian type of restaurant type of thing, at the spot that. You understand? No joke thing. Big up to them nice two workers there at the front desk who know how to deal with promotion and look like they love them job and say, yeah, we are endorse a place. Because here one, if a place not sell, we not no job. No true? You think a joke. So yes, massive, no joke. Yeah, massive. So as we close right now, I just want to say big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch a video. I don't know. Please may I ask if you subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, massive, I don't know. I'm only here to give you the great videos around the world and Jamaica. Find them Jamaicans them around the world too as well. I don't know. So blessed love and stay tuned. Watch the other videos. I'm there with my general. I don't know. Magnetic Fishing Jamaica. Yeah. You understand? Go and subscribe to him. Let's get him to 20,000 subscribers, massive, no joke, no doubt. You don't know, so over Jamaica Walk By a straight love and unity and help, one hand can clap, you see me? So thank you guys so much. If you watch the full video and you like it, where are we at, pan? Like the video now, man. Drop 2 comments now, man, if you know say your place and if you never been at the Courtyard Hotel and if you ever go to Buzo, you make we know, see? And tell you what you think about Emancipation Park. Make we hear it in the comment section. One love, blessings and respect. Come in, next spot, we're outside. Look good now, man.